Yeah.
And we are helping to protect the environment. Like we are contributing.
Okay, good. Okay, would you like to live in the city or in nature?
Well,
I'm a nature guy.
like I'm a nature guy, but however, I prefer to live in a city, like because there are a lot of facilities to live, to study, such as centers, education, and all the necessary things like job opportunities and this kind of things.
Okay, good. Okay, come on. Interview clips, interview.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? So, I want to ask you one question. It's not a question. Can you tell me a really amazing and unforgettable moment from your life?
It was the first day off when I came to the Madrasah.
Okay. Oh, hello. Okay. Why should we learn English?
Like, because we need this, like, for our future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Which 3 books would you like to recommend us?
I don't know. I just like it these days, reading 3 books. Mostly I love reading religious books. I'm just like reading one in Russian, BBC, and I'm reading Atomic Habits nowadays, and also TED Talks. There is a special a TED Talk book that will teach mainly how to behave, how to make a speech, how to meet the requirements of a TED Talk.
Okay, great. So, BMW or Gentra?
Gentle, of course, because I'm Uzbek.
Ты веришь в инопланетян?
Да.
Great. So, which one would you like to choose? $1 million or 100 billion soms?
$1 billion.
O'zbekistondan nima yili deb nomlandi?
Insonga e'tibor va sifatli ta'lim.
Daromad solig'iga munosabatingiz qanday?
Biz rivojlanayotgan davlatda yashayapmiz. Manimcha hamma fuqaro daromad solig'i to'lashi.
Korrupsiyaga bo'lgan munosabat.
Biz demokratik davlatda yashayapmiz.
O'zbekiston yanada rivojlanish uchun nima qilish kerak?
Yoshlar fikr bo'lishi kerak va chekkaga chiqib xalqaro tajribalarni O'zbekistonga kiritish kerak va shu orqali investitsiya ham kiritsa O'zbekiston yanada rivojlanadi.